Newfields' Jaime Morin Frye strives for practical outcomes, accessible and applicable to all. Solution-focused, always with the perspective of helping everyone achieve their best, Jaime collects people and brings them into the fold, introducing them to peers, sharing her never-ending wisdom, and celebrating their individual successes along the way. She says, "I'm so grateful for all the great folks that helped raise me as a public garden professional that it's become a personal mission to pay it forward." As a leader of the plant nomenclature and taxonomy community, she led an effort to advance garden labeling standards, challenged our industry use of plant names for inclusion, and mentored and built community across our membership. She says, "Life is too short to be anything but yourself." The American Public Gardens Association is pleased to present a 2024 Professional Citation to Jaime Morin Frye.